Oh, Dave, thank goodness. Hey, Dave.
Hey guys, this is Samantha, Sam, these are my boys.
Hi.
Hi.
That's Theodore.
Hi.
Ooh, we've heard a lot about you. Enchanté. Before you go, I made something for you.
Wow, it's really,
It's soft, so you can sleep in it, and I made it with all the colors, so it will go with everything.
great. I'll put it on after dinner.
You could put it on now, so everyone at the captain's table could see it.